The working principle of the expansion valve. The expansion valve, also known as the throttle valve, has a rather simple principle. Inside the expansion valve, there is a very narrow area. When the refrigerant passes through here, the pressure is released instantaneously and the temperature drops sharply. Here, there is a temperature control sensor, which is closely attached to the evaporation tube and constantly senses the temperature changes. The fluid stored inside it is highly sensitive to temperature changes. It is connected to the pressure spring at the top of the expansion valve through a thin tube. According to the principle of thermal expansion and contraction, when the temperature of the evaporator in the room rises, the pressure of the expanded sensing gas fluid will push this spring downward. At this time, the passage opening of the expansion valve will become larger. More refrigerant will flow to the evaporator. When the refrigerant flow in the evaporator pipe increases, the cooling temperature will be lower. Conversely, when the temperature drops, the internal pressure of the sensor decreases and the spring rises to reduce the passage of the refrigerant. Based on the above principle, the expansion valve controls the temperature of the room evaporator by controlling the flow of the refrigerant.